Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up make webhook triggers for custom productivity tools, full guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up make webhook triggers for your custom productivity tools, navigate to the Make platform and log into your account. Once logged in, select the Scenarios tab from the left-hand menu. Click the Create New Scenario button to start building your workflow. In the Scenario Builder, search for and select the Webhook module from the list of available integrations. Choose the Custom Webhook option when prompted. You will now see an Add button to configure a new webhook. Click on the Add button, which will generate a unique webhook URL for your scenario. This URL will be used to receive data from your custom tools, so copy it for later use. Now, head to the custom productivity tool that you wish to connect via webhook. Create a new webhook within that tool's settings and paste the URL you copied from Make. Next, you will need to select the event triggers within your custom tool that will send data to the webhook. Set up the desired parameters for the webhook in your custom tool. After configuring your custom tool, return to the Make scenario. In Make, test the webhook by sending a sample request from your custom tool. Monitor the webhook's response in Make to ensure it has received the request successfully. With the webhook working, you can now proceed to add additional modules to your scenario. Choose the modules that fit your workflow needs, such as data transformation or sending notifications. Connect these modules to the webhook by dragging arrows between them. Configure settings for each module according to your requirements. Once you have set up all desired operations, click on the Save button in the upper right corner. Finally, activate your scenario to start handling incoming webhook requests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.